Hi, this is Beatrice from Shepherd's Bush Families Project, and today I will be cooking kale and chickpeas in a tomato sauce. I've noticed that kale is quite often on discount in Lidl in Shepherd's Bush, so I decided to use it in today's recipe. The first thing you will need is kale. This was 49p from Lidl on discount. Also you would need tomatoes and chickpeas. I know some of you prefer to use dry chickpeas. If that is the case, you will have to cook them before you start making this dish. You will also need 5 cloves of garlic, a pinch of salt and pepper, oil for cooking, and chili if you want to make it spicy. You can choose to garnish with your preferred cheese and fresh herbs. Today I am using a matured hard cheese and basil. Serve this dish with rice, bread or couscous. Using the quantities in this recipe, you should be able to make up to 4 adult portions, and the total cost could be under £3 including oil. I would like to give credit for this recipe to Chef Missy Robbins. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please comment, like and subscribe, and check the description below for further videos.